The metaverse, it's a word you've probably heard a lot lately. But what does it really mean? Is it just virtual reality, or is it something bigger? In this video, we'll break down the concept of the metaverse, why it's a buzzword in tech today, and how it could shape the future of how we live, work, and play. Let's dive in. At its core, the metaverse is a shared, virtual space that combines physical and digital realities. It's a network of interconnected virtual environments where people can interact with each other and the digital world through avatars in real time. Think of it as the next evolution of the internet, a fully immersive, 3D version where you don't just browse, you live, work, create, and socialize within it. The metaverse isn't a single platform or app, it's a combination of technologies working together. Let's break down the building blocks that make it possible. Virtual reality creates fully immersive digital environments, while augmented reality overlays digital elements onto the real world. Together, they form the foundation of how we experience the metaverse. Blockchain technology ensures secure ownership of digital assets, from virtual real estate to NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, which let you own unique items in the metaverse. AI powers realistic avatars, dynamic environments, and personalized experiences, making the metaverse feel alive. 5G and cloud computing ensure the high-speed, low-latency connections needed to support seamless interactions in massive virtual worlds. So why is everyone talking about the metaverse? It's because tech companies are betting big on it as the next major shift in technology, similar to how the internet changed the world in the 1990s. From social media and gaming to remote work and entertainment, the metaverse is being positioned as the future of how we interact online. Companies like Meta, Microsoft, and Epic Games are investing billions to make this vision a reality. You might already be experiencing parts of the metaverse without realizing it. Here's how you can dive in right now. Platforms like Roblox, Minecraft, and Fortnite are early versions of the metaverse, where users can interact, create, and even make real money. Virtual reality platforms like Horizon Worlds and VRChat let you socialize, attend events, and even build your own virtual spaces. AR apps like Pokemon Go and Snapchat offer a glimpse of how augmented reality integrates with everyday life. Platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox allow you to buy, sell, and own virtual real estate, assets, and unique items, making the metaverse an economy of its own. The metaverse has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives, including socializing, meet friends and family across the globe in virtual spaces, work, remote work becomes immersive with virtual offices and co-working spaces, education, learn in interactive, 3D classrooms or take virtual field trips, entertainment, attend virtual concerts, watch movies in 3D theaters, or play interactive games, shopping, try on clothes, test products, and shop in virtual malls. Of course, the metaverse isn't without its challenges. Privacy concerns, high costs of VR equipment, and the potential for digital addiction are all issues that need to be addressed as the metaverse evolves. The metaverse is still in its early stages, but its potential is enormous. As technology evolves, we may see a world where the lines between physical and digital blur, creating new opportunities and challenges for everyone. To summarize, the metaverse is more than just a buzzword, it's a vision for the future of how we interact with technology and with each other. While it's still evolving, one thing is certain, the metaverse is set to redefine the way we live, work, and play. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Let us know in the comments how you see the metaverse shaping our future. See you in the next video.